Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream Gulaman. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 pack of unflavored Gulaman. Don't forget 1 cup of water and your favorite ice cream flavor. Make sure your cream and condensed milk are well chilled before you begin. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, refreshing dessert. Now, let's prepare the Gulaman. In a saucepan, dissolve the unflavored Gulaman powder in 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring continuously until the powder is completely dissolved. Once dissolved, pour the hot Gulaman liquid into a shallow dish or mold. Allow it to cool down and set completely at room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator. With your Gulaman set, it's time to combine everything. Carefully cut the firm Gulaman into small, bite-sized cubes. In a separate large bowl, pour in the chilled all-purpose cream and the condensed milk. Mix these two together until well combined and slightly thickened. Then, gently fold in your prepared Gulaman cubes and scoops of your favorite ice cream. Finally, transfer your ice cream Gulaman mixture into a serving dish. Cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it's thoroughly cold and firm. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it chilled for a truly refreshing and delightful dessert that everyone will love. For more great deals and to check out that amazing e-reader, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.